Well, still waiting on sheet metal, so I'm gonna start filling this thing up. We've got this coming week is just not great weather. It's supposed to cool down like 15 degrees for daytime highs. We're supposed to have like 5 days of 20% or higher chance of precipitation. So I'm gonna start putting some small, simple things that just need to be organized and out. Hose hanger racks, and I'm gonna put them up on the back wall back here too. I'm gonna get hoses drained and I'm gonna get them put up back here on this wall. I also have a couple of lumber racks that we bought years ago. They're not very deep, they're like a foot deep, but many shelves, and it's nice to be able to organize and put some pieces on there. I'm gonna get that mounted at the back of that bay. I didn't want to interfere with the bracings on this bay, so I think I'm gonna put them on that second bay because the bracings there is no bracings in that bay. And I can put them up, and I'll probably put a long one in the middle section for long boards. Like we've got a bunch of these 16 footers left over. They're gonna get used on another project that's coming, maybe, maybe this fall. So I'm gonna do a few things like that. Try to get a few things organized and in here and out of the way. I still have boxes of hurricane straps that I need to get nailed on, and nothing that I'm putting up is gonna really impede getting around and getting those installed. Even the hay that's up over there, it's not that big of a deal. I still have plenty of room to go in over the top of the hay bales and get back to the back ones to install those hurricane straps. I want to get this stuff tidied up. All the excessive tools that I don't need down here anymore, I want to get them loaded up and take it back and put away. I'll probably take down one of the scaffolds and get it out of here. I'll leave the other one for doing some of these hurricane straps out here on this 16-foot height. It's all but impossible to reach it from the ladder. So from the scaffold, I can get up there and I can set the hurricane straps across the front beam and the middle beam. So I'll leave one of them for that. Anyway, just some tedious things, tidying up things, because I mean, it's good day to day, but it's not going to be tonight and tomorrow and the next like 10 days. So got to get a few things covered. I figured I filled it about a little over halfway. The cows were eating like crazy. So I figured they probably drank it down and that down and half the shop and they without even trying.
Yeah, no, I was up there just filling it up, and I saw the stone stuff dropping it up.
Damn little piggies. Yeah, no, that's perfect. This is just right. I'm gonna grab the cement mixer and then I need to grab this and then I got everything else. Oh yeah, need to get that too. Maybe while you're here, let's fish that up. There's the strap and chain are inside there that you used yesterday. They're by the vise on the floor there. Storm's about to come in. It's just starting to trickle now. The mud is firming up a little bit in spots, but we're just finally getting this space tidied up. Man, finally, some room and some crap out of the way. These pipes I'm going to leave here because I still got to cut them down as needed. Those pipes are already cut, so I'm going to take them down and get them under cover. But we finally got all the junk. I say junk, but it's attachments, it's equipment out of the frontage of this. I still have my burn barrels over here. I'm going to move them out the next day or so, and then I'll plate this off so it's shaped in good. So we've got our frontage finally shaped out and our space. We're trying like crazy to get it all down and get everything kind of stacked in to the shed so that it's out of these elements and we don't have to worry about it if this touches off winter and we're in it. I don't want to be scrambling through the snow and the mud and the muck even worse than this. So we're going to take advantage of being under the cover to get things organized. And if it rains, fine, we're working under cover, so it's not a big deal. We got a lot of it tidied up yesterday, and the last of it today that we're going to get put away and tidied up and underneath the shed. And then once we get it situated there, Everest and I are going to go to getting the hurricane straps installed on the roof. I figured that's a good thing to do on a rainy day. So I'm going to have him go ahead of me and just set the brackets with a hammer and nail, and then I'll come back through behind him with the nail gun and install the 9 or 10 nails or whatever it is per bracket that has to get installed. I'll do those with the nail guns, but at least he can go ahead of me and set them, and we should be able to bang through them pretty quick and get everything attached and in good shape. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. I like seeing this stuff have homes and have a place for it. Like I said, I'm going to blade all this out here. This we're still going to build out. Whether that happens this year or not, I don't know. Let's see how the weather does. But so I can at least come through here, scrape that off. There's kind of some high spots here in the weeds where that's had lots of things for a while. So there's some humps and bumps in this with the weeds, and I want to just shave that off and get it pushed off to the edge so that this no longer has a low point right through here. That's a little higher, this is a little low, and that's higher. So we end up with it kind of puddling right out here in front as it comes down this road. And I want to dish it off before it gets here. So I'm going to shave all that and push it all off so that we're draining this, and everything from here is draining out. We're out that way, off this way, and nothing's kind of staying stagnant in here. So we'll get all that shaved off, and then maybe if we get good enough weather for a long enough time, I can get another load or two of good rock and put down on top of this and get it covered.
See where she's going, but I hope it's here. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's trying. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding.
I think we might park the buggy and the tractor down here tonight. Just so it's all covered.
Yeah, I think we'll be able to get back up.
Well, no, no. It'll be what it is. But I think we can park them in here tonight so it'll be covered and whatever. Let's see what the storm brings. But, okay. I did bring down a box of nails and a hammer so that when we're ready for the parking. We'll get those too high. We'll get some.
Not snow.
Oh, yeah. Tonight sometime it's supposed to be.
It's like actually nice temperature outside.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
Nothing for sure. Not overheating, but not.